In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Cloudflare. This process will ensure that visitors to your site are automatically redirected to the secure version, which is an essential step for enhancing security and instilling trust among your users. Now let's dive into the steps. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Cloudflare website. Once there, you'll need to log in, so if you haven't already, create an account or simply use your existing credentials. For those of you who appreciate convenience, you can click on Continue with Google, which will allow you to log in using your Google account credentials. So go ahead and do that. Simpler and quicker than juggling multiple passwords. Next, once you're logged into Cloudflare, it's time to choose the Google account you'd like to proceed with, especially if you have more than one. Make sure to select the one that has access to your Cloudflare account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll want to locate the section concerning your domains. Click on your desired domain, the one you wish to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Now, with your domain page open, look for the Rules tab, a crucial part of the Cloudflare settings. Once you've clicked through to the Rules section, you'll see a list, and among them you'll find an option to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Click on that to start setting up your redirect rule. When you're within the redirect settings, you'll notice an option to create a rule. Go ahead and click on Create a Rule. It's important to give this rule a proper name, something that clearly states its purpose so that later you can easily identify what it does among other rules you might have set up. Now we'll set up the URL configuration. You'll need to type in the request URL, which is essentially your website's address, but make sure it begins with HTTP. Enter it carefully to avoid any accidental mistakes. Next, in the target URL section, specify the edited version of your URL. Here, make sure to include HTTPS, because this is where we want all HTTP traffic to redirect. Once you're satisfied with the settings and you've double checked the URLs, it's time to put this rule into action. Click on Deploy to finalize and activate your rule. Cloudflare will handle the rest, ensuring that any user who tries to access your site via HTTP will be seamlessly rerouted to the more secure HTTPS version. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully configured Cloudflare to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS, enhancing your website's security. Keep in mind that securing communication is fundamental, and a step like this goes a long way in safeguarding your site and its users. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful guides.